Noodles, it's time for another episode of Instant. So yeah, it's instant noodle recipe time. The show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got something rather odd. This is Dujosoo with their Konjac Baodu noodles with sesame sauce from China. And let's see what we got here, because this one's a little different. So you don't need a clock or a timer or nothing. You got peanuts, you got a liquid sachet, you've got an oil, you've got, I'm guessing, soy sauce or vinegar, and you've got a fork. So you're thinking, like, where are the noodles? Where are the noodles? Sorry, fork. Here they are. And are you ready? This is going to cook up very quickly, because literally all you do is rinse this with hot water over and over and over, and it's done. So literally this isn't going to take jack for as far as long as it's going to take. So I just need something to stir it up in. Yeah. I might use this. Why don't I just use that? So here we go. We're gonna cut it open, put it in this strainer, put up some top water. So yeah, check that out. I'm just taking this, scissoring up the top. Whoa. And that's almost done. Okay, it's in there. Now I'm just, rinsing it off. Usually when I see konjac noodle, it's clear to white but not like this. This almost looks like a combo konjac buckwheat kind of ordeal thing deal. Alright. There's our rubbery, bouncy konjac noodle. I'll let you see what I mean. It almost bounces like Jello. Really weird. See, watch. There you go. Bouncy, bouncy. Some peanuttles. See how these peanuts are. They're okay. It seems like peanuts from China, they tend to be more dry or harder, chunky. So there's some oil. There's a chunky oil deal. And then we got like this, which will be your sesame paste. After kneading the sachet, we'll add that in. I'm really open-minded about this, but I have a feeling with this gauge of noodle, it might be really rubbery. But I've been pleasantly surprised, I think, by everything in this range thus far, so we'll see. Here is this. What do we got here? I don't know. We'll find out. So here we go. It's stirred up. Not a fan of that peanut. It's beautiful weather out right now. One of the nicest days of the year. So that's a good thing. Alright, I'm gonna give this a try. It feels really weird. Yeah. Oh, that's funky. Almost has the texture of squid. Now, what I'm also wondering, what's the calories on this? Should be incredibly low. The noodles are 12 calories. The seasoning paste is 152. The soy sauce is 13. The oil is 44. And the peanuts are 60. So it's like the whole thing all put together. 177. 277. 281 calories for that. I mean, that's really not bad. But it's really, I don't know. I'm not extremely enthusiastic. I've had some Konjac noodle that comes out really well. I'm not going to say that this is definitely in that spectrum of things, but it's interesting. I'm compelled. I will definitely have more than one last bite of this. Here's our noodle. Some Chinese sausage. Some here. Scallion. God, that just looks ugly. I gotta say, it looks very strange. A little sesame seed. And that's that. I mean, it looks so rubbery, and it is very rubbery. It almost is like light squid in texture and in form. So, I don't know. Well, this is the last one for the week. So I hope everybody has a great weekend if it ends up falling on a Friday. It's my Friday. It's May 3rd, 2023. Or 24. Wow. It's almost 6 months into 2024. I'm still calling it 2023. Because I like 2023. But anyways, yeah. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider. Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.